The 2025 Peugeot 3008 GT line is a stunning blend of modern design, cutting-edge technology, and exceptional performance. With its bold, athletic stance, this SUV stands out on the road. The sharp lines, sleek curves, and distinctive front grille create an unmistakable presence, while the signature Peugeot LED headlights give it an unmistakable identity, even from a distance. The GT line's dynamic design is complemented by refined details such as the gloss black trim and 19-inch alloy wheels, adding a sporty touch to its overall appeal. Inside, the cabin exudes luxury, combining premium materials with a futuristic layout. The dashboard features a striking 12.3-inch digital display, which seamlessly integrates with the 10-inch touchscreen, creating an intuitive and modern driving experience. Performance-wise, the Peugeot 3008 GT line offers an exhilarating drive. Powered by a range of efficient engines, it strikes the perfect balance between power and fuel efficiency. The 1.2-liter Puretech petrol engine offers impressive performance, while the 2.0-liter Bluety diesel engine ensures a powerful, smooth ride on long journeys. The 3008 GT line is equipped with a 6-speed manual transmission or an optional 8-speed automatic gearbox, giving drivers the flexibility to choose their preferred driving experience. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or cruising on the highway, the responsive handling and precise steering make for a confident, enjoyable drive. In terms of technology, the 3008 GT line is packed with innovative features that elevate the driving experience. The infotainment system is compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless smartphone integration. Additionally, the car is equipped with a high-definition rear-view camera, parking sensors, and an adaptive cruise control system that makes long drives more relaxing. For safety, the 3008 GT line boasts a suite of advanced driver assistance features, including lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring, offering peace of mind on every journey. Comfort and convenience are key highlights of the 3008 GT line. The seats are crafted from high-quality materials, ensuring long-lasting comfort even on extended drives. The cabin is spacious, with ample legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers. A panoramic sunroof adds to the sense of openness, while the customizable ambient lighting lets you tailor the interior to your preference. The vehicle's suspension system ensures a smooth and quiet ride, absorbing bumps with ease. Handling in the 3008 GT line is responsive, offering a smooth and composed ride that's perfect for both urban and rural driving. The car's advanced suspension system ensures that every journey is both comfortable and enjoyable, even on uneven terrain. As for luxury features, the 3008 GT line doesn't disappoint. The interior is filled with high-end touches, including leather upholstery, a premium sound system, and a range of customizable options that make this SUV feel truly unique. What truly sets the Peugeot 3008 GT line apart is its blend of performance, style, and innovation. The advanced technology, combined with its eye-catching design, offers a driving experience that's both modern and exhilarating. With its impressive features, this SUV is a standout in its class, offering an unbeatable combination of luxury, comfort, and cutting-edge tech. Whether you're looking for a daily commuter or a family car, the 2025 Peugeot 3008 GT line delivers an exceptional experience on every level.